I'm Jim.
I'm Michelle.
No Worries RVing.
And we're still here. We haven't stopped recording. The reason why we haven't had any videos recently is I broke the computer when I was in Texas, and it's been broke for about 4 months. And we have a lot of new exciting things happening in our lives, so we've been really busy. We hope everybody had a good holiday season, and hopefully everybody has a really good 2022. So we have some exciting things coming up. One of those is I'm retiring, yay, in the summer. And Jim, you're retiring?
In the end of the year sometime.
Yeah. So, but we have a lot of videos from this last year that we haven't done yet. We went to the Channel Islands. We went to the end of Route 66 in Santa Monica.
Right.
We went to San Francisco, and we did Point Reeves. And we went up the the coast 101 all the way up to Oregon to Olympia. So we have a bunch of sites and places we went. Plus we have a bunch of remodeling that you did.
So we installed some lithium batteries, did an upgrade to our power system, and
we're going to put solar panels on.
Solar panels are coming.
They're coming this summer, but we have a bunch of videos on how he did that. We put a new fan controller for the furnace in.
For the furnace.
And
thermostat?
Thermostat. So we have a bunch of videos to do. We probably have a year's worth of videos that we're just behind. So we're sorry that we haven't been able to, but it's been extremely busy. I've been away for 4 months in Texas, like I said, and that's when I broke the computer. And of course, Jim didn't have the computer, so it took us a while to get it fixed. But we're still here. We just didn't want to lose anybody and let you know that we will have a lot more exciting videos to come. And when we retire, we're going to have even more. So we're going to put solar panels up. We're going to go to the Keys in Florida. We're going to do the one of those springs. Live Springs. We're going to do Texas.
Disney.
A little bit of Mississippi. We're going to Disney. So we have a lot of exciting things to come up. Plus, he has stabilizers he's going to stick on the wheels, and a couple other things that we're going to do. So stay tuned. Thank you, and we hope everybody has a happy 2022.